Spring has sprung in New York City, and April is a great time to be in the Big Apple, as temperatures are steadily on the rise. There are plenty of fun activities to do this month, which you can learn how to save money on by reading through our blog post comparing the different New York City attraction passes. Early in April, afternoon high temperatures tend to be the mid-50 degrees Fahrenheit, while the overnight lows are mostly in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Low temperatures fall to 32 degrees Fahrenheit or less on average about one day this month. As the month draws to a close, afternoon temperatures will rise into the low to mid 60 degrees Fahrenheit, while the early morning lows down mostly into mid to upper 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Some of the warmer afternoons will reach up into the mid 70 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. In the past, New York City has seen temperature extremes as high as 96 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as 12 degrees Fahrenheit. About 19 days on average this month will see either sunny or at least partly sunny skies, so this is a great time to be outdoors. About 10 days during this month will see some rain, however, only 2 of these days usually see significant rainfalls of half an inch or more. Early April will require a couple of warm sweaters and at least a medium weight jacket or coat. However, as the month progresses, a light jacket or windbreaker will suffice. It is still a good idea to pack in layers, long-sleeved and short-sleeved shirts as well as pants and shorts. You should also bring along both comfortable walking shoes and a pair of boots for the rainy days. There are plenty of events to consider taking part in the city this month. The Tribeca Film Festival will bring together a variety of independent films and feature panel discussions with personalities of the entertainment world. Easter Sunday, you'll want to pull out your best Easter bonnet for the annual Easter Parade in Manhattan. One of Brooklyn's best spring festivals, the Cherry Blossom Festival, will be taking place this month, which features many activities like a tea party and art gallery, while being surrounded by blooming pink petal trees. Earth Day in New York City is an excellent time to appreciate the city's pastoral landscapes. You can also attend events like a 5K walk and green tour. With warmer temperatures this month, April is also a great time to join us at Free Tours by Foot for one of our many walking tours of the city, including our guided tour of Central Park or our Highline tour, which visits sites like the Meatpacking District and Chelsea Market. You should also consider one of our GPS audio-enabled tours, which brings our tour guides right to your smartphone via our GPS-enabled app. Let us know in the comments which activity you're most excited to take part in while visiting the city this month. And be sure to click the subscribe button below to keep up with even more great content. Get your New York City experience started off with us today at Free Tours by Foot.